A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's learn with Mobie the Monkey. He is here for you and me.
Hi boys and girls, I'm Mobie.
Hi Mobie!
It is good to see you again. Hope you're ready to tumble! Tumble with vowels, that is.
Yay!
This is the letter A. Come on boys and girls, say it with me. A. And the letter A gives the song ah. 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 Now let's have some fun. Let us sing the A song.
Up in the tree, up in the tree, up in the tree, and apple is good for me.
Oh, look who's here. It's Mr. Elephant. And look who's with him. The letter E. Did you hear that? Let's say it again. E. The letter E gives the song E. E. E.
Elephant, 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 the elephant is here.
I'm having so much fun. I know that you're having fun too. So that means you and I are having fun. And here's the letter I. The letter I gives the song A. A. A.
Ink is pink, ink is pink, ink is pink, don't spill it in the drink.
What's next, friends? Can you guess? Oh, it is the letter O. And what's the song? Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oranges, 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 I like oranges.
And finally, the letter U. U for umbrella. Did you get that song of the letter U? It goes
Umbrella, 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 it goes up when it rains.
Okay, boys and girls, you've done all the vowels and their songs. But before we go, let us see how much you remember. Ready, set, go! What letter is this?
A.
And what's the song?
Ah.
What letter is this?
E.
And what's the song?
A.
What letter is this?
I.
And what's the song? A. What letter is this?
O.
And what's the song? O. Finally, what letter is this?
U.
And what's the song?
Ah.
Good job, everyone. Well, let's go grab a banana. Until next time.